Hey, everybody! In today's video I'm going to show you a card trick that will amaze any magician. This trick is called the Separator. For the trick, I need 2 piles of cards. This one is a pile of kings. The kings I'm going to separate from each other. Like this. The second pile I'll have the queens. I'll add a queen to one of the kings. Right here, the other 3 kings, I'll take turns adding the ladies. I'm gonna start with this king. I snap my finger, the magic separator switches on and the king disappears among the queens. I will remove 1 queen here, and in her place I will put the second king. Again I snap my finger and the sorter works again. The king disappears again. Once again I'll put a queen in this pile. I'll take the last king and it will happen again. Now I will put all the ladies on the table. And what do we have in this pile? Here are our handsome kings. Now I'm going to do an experiment. I'm just going to switch the kings and the ladies. Watch my hands. Something tells me my experiment has failed. The kings are still in this pile. The queens have fled, leaving the aces in their place. To demonstrate this trick, you will need to prepare the piles. In this pile, the cards are arranged like this. The top card is necessarily the red king. In this pile it is the same, but with ladies. Also on top I put a red queen. Let's begin the demonstration of the trick. I take the first pile and using the Elmsley count technique demonstrate only the kings. After that I lay off the top card separately, then I lay off 2 cards, 1 more and 1 more. I create the illusion that the 4 kings are placed separately from each other. Now I show the pile with the queens. I also use the Elmsley count. I take the 2 aces and lay them down as if they were one of the queens. I put them right here. Now I tuck the card under the top card in my pile. I show them using the Elmsley count. It looks like there are only ladies in the pile and the king is missing. Now I remove 1 card to this pile saying that I will tuck one of the queens here. Now I repeat the same thing 2 more times with the other cards. I'm left with an ace and 3 queens. My spectator thinks there are 4 queens. I'll put them on the table. Let's check this pile. I move 1 card under the bottom and turn over the whole pile. It turns out that all the kings have moved here. Now I turn over the whole pile and tell the spectator that I'm going to switch the queens and kings. I raise the top card on the break and put an ace under it. I'll put another ace in its place. Now I count out 2 cards from the bottom of the deck and place the first queen. I'll put the top card in its place. I repeat this 2 more times. Now I check the pile and it turns out the kings are still here after all. The queens have escaped and left the aces in their place here.